The Constitution of India. Part 6. The States. Chapter 3. The State Legislature. General. Article 168. Constitution of Legislatures in States. 1. For every state there shall be a legislature which shall consist of the governor, and a. In the states of Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Uttar Pradesh. 2 houses. B. In other states, 1 house. 2. Where there are 2 houses of the legislature of a state, one shall be known as the Legislative Council, and the other as the Legislative Assembly. And where there is only 1 house, it shall be known as the Legislative Assembly.